How to fix the first Descendant error in Ps4 or Ps5. Hello everyone, welcome back to this video where I'm going to show you some of the methods that you can use in order to fix any of the errors that is causing in the Descendant game in your Ps4 or in your Ps5. So in order to fix it, the first thing that you can do is you can simply update the game and the system software. So you need to ensure that your game and PS4 system softwares are up to date. In order to check for the update, you need to go to the games icon on the home screen and then you need to press the options button on your controller. Then you need to select check for update option. To update the PS4 system software, you need to go to the settings and then you need to select system software update option, and then you need to follow further on-screen instructions in order to update the system software. You can even try clearing the cache and then rebuild the database. For that, you need to turn off your PS4 completely. Once it is off, you need to press and hold the power button until you hear two beeps. This will start the PS4 in safe mode. Then you need to connect your controller via USB and press the PS button. In safe mode, you need to select rebuild database. This process can take some time but helps in fixing any corrupted data issues. After that, you just have to delete and reinstall the game. So if none of these methods are working for you, then you can even try deleting the game and installing it again. For that, you just have to navigate to the games icon on the home screen, press the options button on your controller and select delete. After deleting the game, you just have to reinstall it and then you just have to select the game to download it. This can help if the error is due to the corrupted game installation. So if the issue still persists, then you can check for more specific error codes, or consulting the game's support forms might provide additional solutions tailored to the particular problem that you are facing. So I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.